What's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome to Stock Up. This is Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure you hit all. This week, this is merch week. This one is my sign off. Live, love, laugh, and learn. You could see the link above or below, rather. Just check out all the links, and you will see where to get this in the merch store. Okay. And we're giving every half of everything. I extended it, half of everything this week. I'm giving to charity. Okay, good people, because that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to build wealth, but we're going to continue to give. Let's get into what's going on. The reopening stock are tanking because of course, the threat of the Delta COVID, the Delta variant of COVID. And so, there's a lot of fear about shutdowns and masks and all of that again. And it's affecting the market, especially the reopening play. All reopening plays, all right? Some of the ones that we're in, it's just no one knew that this variant was coming. That's the market. You have to be able to bob and weave, okay, when these things are happening, all right? All right, so Apple's preparing for its earnings. Recall, I got a few notes here, and that's going to happen later. It has not happened at the time of me shooting this, okay? So govern yourselves accordingly. Tech and EVs are falling. And so this is kind of what I've been looking for, waiting for. Of course, NEO is down. And that's because of the Chinese crackdown. NEO is down around $39 area. Lucid is still holding pretty good. Ticker symbol LCID now, good people, at 25.79. And Tesla is down. So the EVs and ChargePoint is down. So the EV market is reacting negatively, and that's all tech. EVs are tied into tech. These are technology companies. The CEO of Lucid did a great job of explaining that, and it is true. These are not just car companies. Well, as it pertains to Tesla and Lucid Motors, these are not just car manufacturers, okay? And so that's why I'm bullish on both of these. Now let's talk about crypto, okay? Crypto, for those of you that went on this journey with me in crypto, we're actually killing it. Where's my glasses? Because I can't see y'all. I left my good glasses upstairs. Crypto, my crypto portfolio is killing it because I've been making the right moves at the right time. And you guys know what my motto is when it comes to crypto. I only buy crypto when it tanks. And I'm patient. And patience means if I have to wait weeks or months, I'm just going to be patient, all right? And so what I did was in my Webull account, I've been swing trading. Now, I suggest keeping your crypto in something like Coinbase, where you actually own the crypto. I just want to be clear. But when you're swing trading, and you want to have something readily available, I've been swing trading some of my crypto in the Webull app because it's easy and I have it with me at all times. Okay, good people? So check out this video of what this gentleman said about some of the other things that's moving crypto.
So a lot of what we saw in the last 3 days really is a good old-fashioned short squeeze. I mean, the market structure was set up in a way where there were $2.5 billion of shorts positioned in the last, call it, month and a half, and we saw about $1 billion of that liquidated, where it was really just a low liquidity period. We had a strong buyer of call options come into the market Friday evening. That sort of triggered a bridge into what was typically weaker weekend activity in the last few months. And kind of bridged us to Sunday. It hit a few trigger points for short coverings, and that's how we got to this level today, where there's still about $1.5 billion left of shorts to be liquidated at certain key levels. So it'll be interesting to watch for the next few days. Wednesday at a conference that was known as the B Word Conference. Kathy Wood and Jack Dorsey ran a panel together, and Elon confirmed that SpaceX holds Bitcoin on its balance sheet. Tesla will consider, again, re-engaging with Bitcoin. I think really it was a healthy exercise with Elon and getting the ESG element involved. It really clears a lot of hurdles in the boards of large corporations that required that at least observation and path towards a solution to get their boards comfortable with investing in the space. The reality is, think about JP Morgan joined Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley in allowing their wealth management clients to buy Bitcoin. If you talk to any one of those banks, they're doubling headcount in digital assets. They're tripling them elsewhere. Enterprises are adopting. MasterCard's doing a USDC partnership to attract stablecoin payments. There's a lot happening. The long-term prospects are still very, very strong.
So for those of you that are just getting into crypto, it's nothing for a cryptocurrency to have a 30, 40, 50% swing. Like it'll have a 30% swing in a day with no news. And that's just the nature of the beast. I don't freak out. So therefore, I only buy crypto when it tanks. And when it has a 30, 40% drop, then I'll buy in. And then I'm not riding it back up. I know a lot of people dollar cost average in, and that works. But when it comes to crypto, I keep trying to get it at near the bottom. And so far, those of you that's been following, we've been very successful in doing that. But I buy a lot when it does go down. So my crypto is really killing it. Leave me a comment and let me know how your crypto is doing. Remember, I was saying, hey, I'm buying more Cardano at $1. And we got right there. I think I bought it at 102. And then Ethereum, we were buying it at around in the 1700s. And look at it today. And then when it comes to Bitcoin, I didn't buy anything because actually Ethereum and Cardano has been doing better than Bitcoin. And I believe that over a period of time, Ethereum will take over Bitcoin. So I'm way more bullish on Ethereum than I am Bitcoin, but I'm way more bullish on Cardano, ADA, than I am Ethereum. That's just me. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. You got to do your own research. This is just for discussion purposes only. All right. I made a video yesterday and I told you guys about my nephew. And I said that he moved his high growth stock to his Fidelity account. But what I also want to tell you guys is that he moved some of his swing trades to his Webull account. So he had Webull move some stuff from another platform to his Webull account, okay? And that's one of the things that you guys can do. Remember, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. You know, I want to be true to you first, and then the companies that help the channel out, okay? But I found Fidelity to be an excellent long-term. I've been in it over 25 years, so it served me well, and it is serving me well. But now I will tell you 2/3 of my trading I'm doing in Webull because it serves me well, especially on swing trades. And this is what Larry does, all right? It's okay to have high growth stock in your Fidelity or whatever. And if you have the high growth stock in your Fidelity and you're not touching it like I'm not, it's cool. But sometimes I'll buy some of those same stock in my Webull because sometimes they will dip down lower than even that I got my high growth stock price at. And so I buy in. And it's okay to do some swing trading with a platform that you're going to have with you all of the time. So if you got a phone friendly app, then that's why you're going to have that with you all the time. You're not going to have your computer. And some of the other brokerage, the legacy brokerages, they're just not phone friendly. Okay. I want to look you guys in the eye and tell you that for every dollar that I am investing, I am saving $2. I'm literally putting it into my brokerage accounts, into my Fidelity, into my Webull. And if you only have one platform, I suggest you get more than one, okay? And here's why I'm doing it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I want to prepare for whatever is going to come. If there's a dip that's going to come, I want to have some fresh cash ready to buy these dips. If there's a correction coming, I want to have some fresh cash to buy the correction. And so I really would like to buy some of the stock that I'm looking at a lower price. Remember, the lower you buy a stock, the less risk you have. okay? And it's all about managing risk. So that's what I'm doing. And if you say, Larry, what would you suggest in a season, in a time like this? I would suggest you do something to that effect. For every dollar that you invest, save a dollar. If you're putting fresh powder or fresh money into your brokerages. Me personally, for every dollar that I invest, and I'm only investing and doing swing trades at this point, I am putting away $2 into an account, and I'm just being patient with it. I'm not buying anything with that $2, because when you look at, and this is not fear, but these are facts to me. When you look at these companies having these knock out of the park, like Tesla, the earnings, they knocked it out of the park. And the stock was like, I'll give you 1%. And then the next day, I'm going to draw back. When you have companies that are giving these earnings reports, let's look and see what Apple does. But when you have, and they're knocking it out of the park, and it's like, to me, that's saying that evaluations and everything are towards the ceiling. Okay. And so, is there money to be made still? Yes, it is. Is there a crash coming, Larry? I don't know. Okay. Is there a correction coming? I don't know. What I do know is that, just think about this. If I had the money that I had now back in March of 2020 at the bottom, and I bought all of the stock that I have now, I wouldn't be worried right now, because I would be thinking, whatever comes, I'm still going to be positive. And so I literally trade. I do psychology trading. So I just want to be ready. I have my stop losses. I have my boat balance with having stock in different industries. And so that's why I'm talking about this. And so I want to be transparent with you guys. So whatever I buy now, I'm taking twice that much, and I'm just holding it in cash. I know there's not a lot of guys that's just saying that, but I'm saying that because I want to keep it real with you guys, okay? But there is money to be made until whatever happens, happens. And when is it going to happen? No one knows. We could finish out a bull market this entire year and nothing happens. No one knows. But what we can do is stay prepared. All right. So I talked about everything, and yes, Webull does help the page out. And but I wanted to be frank with you guys yesterday. And so I do want to tell you that, they have fractional shares. You can trade hours before the market opens and hours after. Right now, they have a promotion where you only have to deposit $5. Make sure you click that link below. And there again, if you have stock that you would like in your Webull account, you can call Webull and have it transferred from your other broker to your account. Remember to check out all the links below, good people. Let's continue to have this discussion on how we're going to balance the boat. We're going to be wise investors. We're not going to have FOMO, and we're not going to panic sell. I always say, what have we learned? Okay. And we're going to continue to make money. All right, good people. We'll see you on the next one. Live, love, laugh, and learn.